eto na, moving on to lighter things. Kasi trending kay actually kahit nga ako parang napaisip din ako dun sa picture na pinost mo.
Diba?
Asa na ba yun? Let's show the
Isa lang masasabi ko, magaling magpa-trending si
the
Cassie.
world.
Oh my
This
God.
photo.
Ay. Sino kaya yan?
Nandiyan ako nung
Sino
kinuha.
kaya yan?
Sino kaya?
Sino kaya yan?
Sino kaya yan?
So, I think it's time to set the record straight. Sino nga ba kasi yan at bakit naka-matching hoodie pa kayo? Ganyan.
Oh my God, Cassie Cake, it's time
Sino
for
ba
you
to?
to
Kasama mo ba to sa ating kapatid? Kasama ba natin to today? Like, sino
Yeah.
ba yun?
Delete na lang ako mag-talk.
Dili na lang kamaktok.
Okay, so... First of all, boss, isang bote ng... joke lang. Okay. To set the record straight, this is a brand posting.
Okay.
It's a brand posting. So sabi ko, I'm just gonna 2-in-1 it, you know, Valentine's Day, love, love, love. So, ano?
So you were the one
So,
who-
so,
So, idea mo pala to.
yeah.
so, yes.
Aha.
Yes. And,
Who's the guy?
who's the guy?
Just some guy.
You know what? You know what?
Carmen.
You know,
Guys, nandito kami ha. Sali niyo
you
naman
know
kami
what?
sa ano.
You know. Some things are better left unsaid.
And,
And-
mag-read
and-
between the lines na lang kami kung sino yon.
Ay, bahala na kayo. Mag-assume na lang kayo. Mag-comment down below na lang kayo. Bahala na kayo sa buhay nyo. Basta ako, yan yung pinost ko. Wala akong sinabi. Nilagay ko lang ng heart.
Alam
I
niyo,
think.
trending yan. Alam
That's
niyo,
my
pa
heart.
yan.
Yeah,
Kaya
so a lot of
nga.
people message me, oh my God, actually, pati yung parents ko, oh my God, No, quiet
Matahimik
lang.
ka, bro.
Ha?
Matahimik ka.
Tahimik mo.
Hindi, nakikinig lang ako sa kanya.
Okay.
thank you.
Ikaw naman masasabi mo doon bilang sobrang
what can you say?
close mo sa
Close
work
mo.
si Cass. Parang,
Ano masasabi mo dun sa post na yun?
Oo.
Napakaswerte naman ng lalaki niya.
Ay, talaga naman.
Facts.
Talaga naman. Okay, nakaka-trigger. Nakaka-ano na iba.
Pwede tanungin mo ako ulit kung ano nag-trigger sa akin.
Wala naman bago, Thea. Lagi ka naman natitrigger sa akin.
Okay. Pero sige, para medyo mawala yung trigger natin ng konti, tikman muna natin yung
Yes!
food, I think,
Grabe, ang
diba?
sarap ng mga food
We
sa harap
have
natin.
the People's Fried Chicken. Grabe,
People's Fried
intense.
Chicken.
We have the Caesar salad. We have the Super Silog.
Let's
and
go.
the Chairman, which is, I think, a house special. Yan. So, let's just try whichever
Let's
you guys
try
want to
it.
try. At we also have drinks from the Co's Cafe. Iced Spanish latte and
Yes.
iced mellow matcha. Yes. Baka mahulog.
Malo matcha. Can I just share, sa ating kapatid, pag nagtitaping kami, mostly the girls, dahil magkakasama kami sa tent, lagi kaming hating kapatid pag kumakain. Like, sharing.
Aww.
Yes, ganyan. So, it's nice.
Okay, sige. So how is it? What's your favorite so far? Parang ikaw nagugustuhan
Yes.
mo yung the pork.
Pork.
The
I love
chairman. Chairman.
The
ba
chairman.
yun? Yes.
it. The chairman of the pork.
Yes.
Chairman of the pork? Hello? Yeah,